Had a great time in the Bayou, Louisiana on a great fishing trip, man. Redfish was on the menu. Y'all stay tuned. Beautiful Louisiana, y'all. Beautiful Louisiana doing some fishing for redfish. Hey, I don't have any real butter, but what do you know? I just happen to have some of that parquet. So we're gonna add a little bit of that to the pan, and we're gonna use that to help with the blackening. So let's go ahead and move it over to the heat. Let it get fired up. We'll be right back, seasoning our fish. All right, that's our beautiful piece of blackened, our beautiful piece of redfish rather. And we're gonna use my party dust. It's great as a blackening. And we're just gonna dust it all over, top and bottom. All right, flip it over. And this is a pretty thick piece. This may be about a 4 to 5 ounce portion. And we're ready to go. To the fire we go. All right, we have to change the angle of our shot. So the pan is hot. Got a combination of butter and a little olive oil in there. Our fish is seasoned. We going in. Presentation side down. Press it down a little bit. We're gonna let it go. Probably gonna go about, this is a pretty thick piece of fish, so it may go about 2.5 to 3 minutes per side. We'll just play it by ear and see how it works out. Y'all stay tuned. All right. It's been about 3 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and flip it over. See what you're looking like. Beautiful. Beautiful. Beautiful color, beautiful crust, no burning. We on our way, baby. Y'all stay tuned. Beautiful. Good shrimp stock right here. Onions, parsley. You can see the shrimp heads. Eyeballs included, baby. Onions, parsley, garlic, bay leaves, salt, a little bit of pepper. It's best to use it, let it sit probably about a day or two, but I'm gonna use a little bit of it to infuse my my Creole sauce, so y'all stay tuned. All right, our fish is looking good. We probably still got about another minute on it, but we're gonna make a little shrimp Creole as well. I already made the shrimp Creole sauce. I'm gonna go ahead and throw that on the grill. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna throw some shrimp in there. Came out the bay. Came from the same spot that fish came from. Right out of Louisiana. We're gonna cook those up in the cast iron also, and then we're gonna add them to the shrimp Creole. Y'all stay tuned, got some good stuff coming up. Simple salt and pepper seasoning on the shrimp. We're gonna let them go for a few minutes. All right, our Creole sauce is looking good. Man, that's onions, garlic, bay leaves, shrimp stock, man, and a whole bunch of love, man. I'll probably do a recipe, a video on the recipe for this a little later. But it's not even about this today. Right now, it's about that blackened redfish and these Gulf shrimp. Shrimp look good, almost done. All right, our shrimp are done. We're gonna go ahead and add our shrimp to our Creole sauce. And like I say, this Creole sauce is probably even better if you let it sit a few days. we're gonna add all the shrimp back. Put it in. Our fish is good to go. Beautiful. Look at that. But that's not the star of the show. Right here. Good old garlic cheese toast. Texas toast. This is the star of the show. One of them. We're gonna grill it off. And when we get back, I'm gonna show y'all just how we're gonna put this all together. Y'all stay tuned. But anyway, as you can see, we got some beautiful toast on that garlic toast. It's toasted up really nice. The cheese and garlic part, all we did was fan it out that way so it can get a little warm. But I think we're ready to go, man. You know what? I was gonna take it inside, but we're gonna plate it up right here. Cheese toast first. That beautiful blackened Gulf redfish. So we've got our beautiful cheese toast. We've got our beautiful blackened redfish on top. Nice and juicy and tender. Last but not least, I'm gonna put it down right here so you all can get a better view of it. Our beautiful shrimp Creole. Right on top. Beautiful shrimp Creole. And you don't care if it gets all over the sides. That's what you want. That's what the bread's there for, to sop it all up. A little sauce. There you have it. Some beautiful blackened redfish garlic toast with a little shrimp Creole. It's open face sandwich, baby. You got the grilled cheese, garlic cheese toast, the blackened redfish, and the beautiful shrimp Creole on top, finished off with a little bit of parsley. That's some damn good eating. Straight out the bayou right there, baby. All right, guys, I want to thank y'all for joining me today. I had an awesome trip this past weekend to New Orleans. I actually went fishing on a charter down in St. Bernard Parish in Hopedale, Louisiana. And this is some of what we caught. Beautiful shrimp and some beautiful redfish, man. And I just have to say, man, I got a newfound appreciation for Louisiana and the folks of the bayou, because they truly, truly have all the good stuff at their disposal. Multitude of fish and shrimp. But anyway, I was just inspired to come back, man, and just create a little something to show pay my homage to the state of Louisiana and to the good guys that took me fishing at NOLA Sight Fishing in Hopedale, Louisiana. I'll put the contact information in the comments. But that's it, man. Open face, blackened redfish open face sandwich with shrimp Creole on Texas toast. And let's give it a try. Let's give it a try. As you can see, it's flaky. Got some of the fish. Man, come on, cuz. That right there is some damn good eating. The redfish is mild but flavorful. And man, that's a prize of Louisiana right there. So I just want to thank you guys for checking me out. As always, good vibes, good food. See y'all in the next one. Peace.